Need a clear process for when a customer wants to return a product? In this video, I'll walk you through the official way to handle returns and exchanges directly within Shopify. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. While Shopify doesn't have a built-in returns feature, you can manage the process smoothly using its order editing and app ecosystem. First, communicate with the customer to understand the reason for the return and issue a return merchandise authorization (RMA) number if you use them. Once the item is returned and inspected, you can create a refund. Go to the original order in your orders list. Click Refund. Here, you can specify the amount to refund, including a partial or full amount, and whether to restock the returned items back into your inventory. For a more automated experience, consider installing a dedicated returns management app from the Shopify App Store, which can create a branded returns portal for your customers. A crucial pro tip: have a clear, publicly available return policy. When processing the refund, you can choose whether to refund the shipping cost. Clearly state this in your policy to manage customer expectations and protect your margins. And just like that, you can handle returns professionally and maintain customer goodwill. A smooth returns process is a competitive advantage. Do you have a strict or a liberal return policy? What's worked best for your business? Let me know below. For other order adjustments, watch our next video on how to cancel a Shopify order. Thanks for watching.